nature walk. We're talking about nature, and we are here. We're featuring Kylie, Kaylee, and Sophia. This here is a frog.
Hello, little frog.
See, it's in its natural environment. They like grass and other things they can hide in. This rock has been here thousands of years. Thousands of people have tried to scale this rock, and they have died, but not today. We can do it! Come on! Just a couple more steps! Oh no! No! Well, maybe not today. The travelers hit their head and got a concussion. They believe they have been transported to the Jurassic world. Ow, my head hurts.
Whoa!
What?
Kaylee!
I think I see something.
Dun dun dun! It's a dinosaur!
Ow! Once Sophia was done fighting the plastic dinosaur.
It's real!
Kaylee, it is not a real dinosaur.
Yeah, it is!
They went to go look at some actual nature.
I'm so tired.
Why didn't you just go around?
Oh. Look how cool this is. You know what tree this is?
No. Is it flowering?
It's a lilac tree!
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's a lilac tree!
I think it's an evergreen.
To me, a partridge in a pear tree. I thought it was pear tree.
I said pear tree.
This is really cool.
Yeah, it is. Why is that pear tree? What? Is that, it's a marigold, silly! Hey, look! If you look at this characteristic leaf shape, this is definitely an elm tree.
You're right!
I'm right? I'm right! I was right! Hey, Sophia, I was right! I was right! Wait.
Oh, what happened?
I don't know. But I was right! Uh-huh. Keely's never right, is she? Well, folks, that's all for now. See you next time on Nature Walk.
Thanks for watching!